Hello Mayfield, it is Thursday, September 30th, 2021, and this is a video for my pre-algebra students, my periods 1 and 4. We had our first quiz today on Canvas. You did really well with it. I think you liked having the second attempts. I definitely saw improvement between the first and the second attempt, and I will always try to do that for us as long as we can be as responsible as we were today taking a quiz on Canvas. Also hope that you liked doing the brain dump. We will always do that before my quizzes as well. We also have homework this week. This is the homework I gave you Monday. This week, just the front. Isn't that nice? Just the front, and it's due tomorrow. I went to the shoebox, and we had this one little tiny suggestion. Can you do number 2? So yes, I can. I'm guessing they mean the second problem and not number 2. I'm not really sure, but you know what, if I do this second problem, I'm giving you more support, so I'll help you out. In case they mean this number 2, the angle of AOB is this angle right here. Down here. Here is a diagram showing triangle ABC and some transformations. On the left, it was reflected over the side AC to form the quadrilateral ABCD. On the right side, we had instead a rotation of 180 degrees to form this quadrilateral ABCE. Using what we know about rigid transformations, label as many side lengths and angles as we can. Okay, so I used my tracing paper, and I started off by tracing the original shape and whatever sides and angles I already knew. If I'm going to reflect, then I'm going to include my side of my reflection. Okay, so what do I see? I see that my 3 2/10 is down here, and my 2 7/10 is up here. So I will label that 3 2/10 and 2 7/10, and also there's my angle. So this angle would be 64 3/10. What's going to happen on the second side? All right, we have our triangle, we have our rotation, 180 degrees. Ooh, notice, not the same shape. Here's the original. Here's it after a rotation. So we're going to want a different side of our tracing paper. And I'm going to, because I'm doing a rotation, I'm going to make sure that my tracing paper is nice and square to the top of the page. There's my side AB, side CD, side AE, and side AC. There's my point M. This is my 2 7/10, my 3 2/10. Here's my angle, my 64 3/10. All right, so now we're going to do that rotation 180 degrees. Here's my pen, here's my rotation, 180 degrees. And it does line up right on top of itself. Aha! Things are not the same, are they? Now we have 3 2/10 on the top and 2 7/10 on the bottom. The angle, though, is still 64 3/10 there for angle E. So angle E and angle D are congruent. Our sides have changed. A reflection is not the same as a rotation. Pretty interesting stuff. All right, I hope that helps clear things up. You're working so hard. I enjoy working with you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.